Kadorba Shnang Molai Mawroh Kala Ujor Bokha Balasam Hiki Aganwadi Center Hapok Scheme ICDS Ulong Obasneu. Uniu Khaw de Nakabentaki Kana Kibalaisnam Hadun Rusnam Krta. Yoniu Khaw Lapan Media Company Seishu Nutrition Private Limited.
Khi habang ngilap company ki ai baningkong kitu ki bayo jingmantoy ki pentip sangi ki pentip sakni kasinong bat nakaliang dongi kasinong ngilap pentip udut saki te kamdan hi ki ai bat ngathrai ba kiru kinum sofia namarngi kasinong yatrai rangkat lada kadon kabasniu ngilap pentip bat kababon hi kan ong 90% 99% hi babon ngiyok ki Phah tanga di kasin ka baningkong hi te nang pek na din nang isakmat par kalong kumno in sanang pek ya ke ban saja tang te ndai ke ba 99% ni banadu man suai kam judan kum kata namar ba swa ban sam ngila ada pek chwa ngimap ki kum kata te ban ong ban kentu ya ki te tang kata ko we hilada kilap nungi ngila pentip suai ki kum kan ni ba jaman ta ngila pentip suai ki pek kalong ngam ta nai pat ba tangam ta he
Halor kani nakaliang kinong tre ka food safety East Khasi district hapo ka jelam ikong DBS Mukim assistant commissioner jogani katanat kilashim nongmuna yonu Khaw ban Phah test.
But collecting of sample, it is on one side is good that we can ensure that that quality or that product that we are providing to the beneficiaries are of good quality for consuming, for the benefit of the welfare of the children as well as of the society. So this SNP which we are distributing or we are supplying, it has come from the directorate level, and the supplier also is one supplier who is manufacturing. I mean, the manufacturer is one. So the SSG are to take the sample from that supplier also, and for us, so we ensure that every time the foodstuff reaches the Aganwadi center, the Aganwadi workers along with the VLCC member to be present during the dropping of foodstuff. They will check the foodstuff, and if anything they found, then they can complain then and there, and they can replace the item.
Dang Shen nakaliang Menteri Katanat Social Welfare Rumakar Menchela ulai thu agila pathai khubor ba katanat jung u kadang persang banwa de kajing shisha halor kani kajing ujor.
I will ask personally to the officers concerned to ask the report whether that allegation is a fact or not. So based on that, we will take action against after that. As of now, since I don't have any requirement with me, so I cannot say anything, but we'll make sure that nothing should be against the norms of prescribed by the government of India. We should follow it.